P. Parrot. Cities. Paris.
Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show you how you and your kids can learn English in a fun way by doing simple activities and playing interesting games. Today I'm going to show you how you can keep your kids busy by playing a simple family game. Each person needs a piece of paper, a pencil, or you can have a marker, and a bell. If you don't have the bell, don't worry, it's no problem at all. You have to think of 5 categories. For example, animals, cities. The 3rd category, food. The 4th category, boys' names. And finally, girls' names. Then one person thinks of a letter, say letter P, and everyone has to write something that begins with P in each category. Let's do it!
P. Parrot. Cities. Paris.
So the first person to write something in each category shouts, "I've got 5," or rings the bell, showing that they finished first. And everyone stops writing. They put their pens down. Then what you need to do is add up everyone's scores like this.
For example, for each correct answer, you get 2 points.
If you want to test spelling, you can also add this criterion, also 2 points. And of course, you get 1 point for shouting, "I've got 5," or for ringing the bell. So everyone takes turn to think of a letter and you continue the game like this. Let's do one more. At the end, add up all the scores to see who has won. You can make it slightly more difficult. For example, instead of animals, you write farm animals. Instead of cities, you need to find countries. Instead of food, you may want to find some vegetables. You may wish to look for clothes brands. And in the final category, you may look for car brands. So let's think of a letter, letter C. Once you've finished all the letters of the alphabet, you count the scores and you just add up all the points to see who has won the game. I hope you found this game interesting and useful. In the next video, I'm going to show you another interesting game that you can play and keep your kids busy for hours. Just click on this video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!